175 million views, 140 million views, 137 million views. Those numbers aren't random. They all come from simple stick figure animation. No crazy software, no team, just smart storytelling with stick figures. And it's working at a massive scale. One channel in particular, Rico Animation, used this exact format to explode past 12 million subscribers. And here's the part nobody talks about enough. This channel is estimated to be making $20,000 to $74,000 a month from YouTube AdSense alone. Let that hit for a second. That's just ads. That doesn't even include brand deals, sponsorships, or anything extra. And this isn't some once-in-a-lifetime lucky break. There are multiple channels doing the same thing right now. Some are posting funny stick figure clips and pulling millions of views on TikTok. Others are translating viral creators like Zach D into different languages using stick figure characters that talk like Dr. Sifu. And those videos are absolutely taking over. These videos aren't just going viral. They're making real money through YouTube AdSense, brand collaborations, the TikTok creativity program, and even advertising products directly. That's exactly why today I'm going to show you the easiest way possible to make stick figure animations step by step with a full beginner guide from scratch. Watch this video I just created first.
Why did the math book look sad?
Because it had too many problems.
Quick reminder before we dive in, please subscribe and hit like. Over 93% of you watching are not subscribed, and your support helps this channel grow big. All right, let's get started. Step 1, script and audio generation. This is where your video's personality is born. And don't overthink this. We're keeping it simple, fast, and repeatable. First, open ChatGPT and type something super straightforward like, give me 5 dad jokes that make sense, plus their answers. Hit generate, and instantly you'll see multiple joke options pop up. Read through them, trust your gut, and pick one joke that actually makes you smile. That's important. If it makes you laugh even a little, it'll probably work on the audience too. Copy only the question first. Now head over to ElevenLabs. Paste that question into the text box. Then take a second to scroll through voices and find one that matches the vibe you want. Funny, calm, curious, or slightly dramatic. Once you find a voice you like, click Add to My Voices. Hit generate and download the audio. That's your first voice clip done. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the answer to the joke, and paste it into ElevenLabs. You can use the same voice or switch it up if you want contrast. Hit generate again and download that second audio file. And just like that, your voices are ready. 2 clean audio clips, 0 recording, 0 microphone, 0 stress. Take a breath for a second. This is already way easier than most people expect. Step 2, animate your stick figure. Now comes the fun part, animation. And this is where most beginners think things get complicated. Good news, it doesn't. Go to Adobe Express. You can search it directly or just click the link in the description. Once you're inside, look for Animate Characters and click it. You'll see a bunch of character options, but scroll until you find the stick figure. That's the one we're using. Click on the background and choose something clean and simple. Don't overdo it. Then click Size and set your aspect ratio to 9:16 because we're optimizing for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. This is key. Now click Browse, upload your first audio file, and watch this. Within seconds, the stick figure starts talking automatically. No keyframes, no manual animation. It just works. Download that clip immediately. For the second part, switch the character to another stick figure so it feels like a conversation. Click Browse again, upload your second audio file, and boom, download the second clip. That's it. Animation done. Seriously. Step 3, combine your clips. Now we bring everything together. Open CapCut, drag both clips into the timeline, and place them back to back. Add a quick transition if you want, nothing fancy, and then drop in captions because captions massively boost retention. Once everything looks clean, hit export, and your video is officially ready to post. Before you leave, drop a comment below telling me what kind of video you made because I actually read them. And if this helped you even a little bit, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and now go post your first stick figure video.